Hey guys, how y'all going? Welcome to another vlog, guys. Today I've got something pretty exciting for you boys all the way from USA, because today we're actually going to go see a R32 GTR. So my friend from work actually has one, and he has invited me over to actually help him detail his car a little bit. We're probably not going to do anything crazy kind of detail, guys, but it's going to be the normal simple kind of wax, polish, all that kind of stuff. I know the R32 GTR recently got legalized in America, so I know you guys will love to see one that's in like mint condition and well looked after as well. So that's where I'm going to be taking you guys, and this video is going to be pretty awesome, guys. So I've got some cleaning stuff at home, so we probably don't have to buy a lot of it. We do sell quite a lot of cleaning stuff at my work, so I personally do own a lot of that stuff. So I'm going to be taking my stuff when I'm going over, which I've got the Google Maps set up and everything. But yeah, if he doesn't have some stuff, we might have to drop by my work and grab a couple of little things. Like I was saying in the last video, guys, the big one is so hard to use while driving. So for things like this, more like car vlogs, I'm still going to stick to the little one. I mean, the quality on this one is still amazing, guys. Alright guys, we're here now. I'm a little bit late. I said I'll be there at 11, but it's like 12:30. But anyway guys, have a look at these cars. Where's the STI as well? Damn. Oh, he's playing PUBG.
Hi man, how are you?
What's going on? Oh, on your phone?
Yeah. Playing PUBG now.
Well, you guys are both playing on your phone?
Yes.
Alright guys, we still gotta buy a couple more things, like a wax and a polish. So I think we're gonna go take a ride on the STI. Damn. WRX rumble. Alright, let's go. So what have you done to the car, man?
A lot.
A lot?
Yeah, the engine, tire, wheels, low.
How much power are you making?
280.
280 of the wheel? Damn, dude. Damn, that's goals.
I want more.
You want more?
Yeah, we are running E85 soon.
Oh, damn. So you got 2.5 stroker?
2.7.
2.7? Shit. This guy is so quick, guys. Where's the turbo on these? Is that there? Oh, damn, it's all in there. Yeah, we're at work, dude. It's weird going into work when there's no work. Alright, you reckon get some polish?
Wax. Wax.
I need some polish.
Wax. Look, wax. What?
Yeah, we'll get McGuire's, man. This one. Yeah. Grab one of these. I've already got a wash, so we don't need anything like that. So we got wax, polish. We probably need to get another one of these, dude.
Use like this one on?
Nah, man, it's just the size of it just won't fit. Like, you have to get the right size. So your one will be MF58, if I can find it for you. Yeah. So that's the dimensions that you need, man. And the terminals as well. Yeah, this one. 4K, dude.
For a dash cam.
Yeah, 4K though. Either 4K or get the normal one.
Huh?
Got the discount, mate.
No discount for you. Look, ready? I'll scan you. Useless.
Useless?
Yeah.
Do you have a nice day at work?
Yeah, have fun. We'll see
Make
how it
sure
works
you
some other
staff
time.
meeting.
Yes.
See ya. That was actually hilarious. We ended up actually doing some work while we were at work for no reason. Dude, that's just the typical Subaru Rumble, man. It's so nice. Alright guys, we've got all the stuff we need, so let's get started on the cleaning. Just gonna rinse it up? Yep. Let's go, man. That's low pressure. Alright guys, rinse is all done. So we'll go through what we actually bought. I've got the green sucker. This is like life changing. I'll show you guys later. I'm gonna hold that. And we got the Bowden Special Summer Wash and Wax. That's what we'll be using. And we got a wash bucket and an Autobahn bucket. Gonna use this. Gonna use the McGuire's wash pad, yeah? All this random stuff we don't need, so we'll get them out. pretty much all Bowdens, isn't it? Oh, apparently this helps you dry your car as well, so we're gonna try this out. And we got Maguire's wax with auto glim.
Yeah.
Oh, lazy wax as well. Damn. Oh, afterglow. So many products. Final pick.
Rags.
Alright, keep the rags in the bag, man. Damn, look at his daily Forester. It's crazy. Also, obviously going to be doing the 2 bucket method. That's going to be rinse and wash. Oh, that's some lollies, man. You can eat it. You can eat it. Just one cap. The wash, guys, what we're doing is we're going through one panel at a time. So you wash one panel and then you go to the rinse bucket and then you go back to the wash and then go to another panel. So you're not putting dirt from one into the other one. So if you guys don't know, guys, the Bowdens Wheelie Clean is a great Wheelie Clean. It's the one that I use. But it smells so bad, guys. Like, seriously, don't get it on your hand or your shoes or anything. It's so bad. Oh, look at all the things that's coming off. Ugh.
You don't understand. You don't understand. Please try. You don't understand. You don't understand.
Alright, one car's already washed, wheel clean and everything. We gotta dry this, man. If you guys don't know about the Bowdens green sucker, this thing is life changing, guys. Alright, so this one's super easy to use, guys. Just break it in half and actually like drag it. Instead of wiping the car, drag it. It will actually absorb pretty much all the water that's on the car. There's literally no water on it. How good is it?
No, look at this.
How good is it, dude?
Oh. Holy shit.
Yeah, do it. Break it in half and drag it. Instead of wiping it, drag it.
Look. It's like,
It's all dry.
holy shit.
Dry.
Yeah. Good. To the other side, dude. Go. Go to the other side. Yeah, okay. Put it and then drag it. Yeah, like that. I'm not sure if they can see it on the camera, but it dries so well, guys. Yeah, I wasn't joking, guys. The Bowdens green sucker is amazing. And it's also good because it doesn't scratch your car like chamois do. While this way, you know, you keep your car scratch free and it dries really well as well. It's 2:30 now, guys. I actually have to go pick up my sister from work because she can't drive.
A few moments later.
Alright, guys, picked my sister up, dropped her home, and I also ate as well. I was so hungry. But anyway, guys, it's actually kind of a good thing we took a little break because the wax and the polish that we purchased were actually not meant to be used under direct sun, which was before it was really hot and really sunny. What are you guys doing? Vacuuming the car? Yeah. Nice. Oh, this sounds looking good. There's always like black stuff on the paint, guys. We've been trying to take it off. We're using a clay bar and it's been pretty alright. Like, as you guys can see here, it's a lot wider than what normally was. But yeah, we just can't figure out what it exactly is. So we've just been using a clay bar, but it doesn't do a job that fast, so it takes a while. Holy shit. It's all off, dude. Yes. Yo, check this out. Brand new again. All done. Whoa. Whoa. The car looks like completely different to before we started. It's a 3-man clay barring job, guys. 3-man clay barring job.
Baby, that's my plan. That's my baby, that's my plan. You don't understand. You don't understand. You don't understand.
Alright, guys, the bumper, bonnet, and the fender's all polished. Looking at that, that looks good. Alright, guys, so the wax we're going to be using is the Maguire's Wet Look Cleaner Wax. Yeah, dude, what do you reckon?
Thank you, bro. How long it take to do that?
Well, all 3 of us, we Yeah, and
You had to take time.
had to take time, man. Yeah, because it was black inside and the bumper was all black.
And
So we had to
you
sort
go
all
to
that.
see your side mirror. If you did it
Your
tomorrow.
side mirror?
Huh?
No more yellow color.
Yeah. Feels smooth too. Nice, bro.
Haha, you're loving it, dude.
I love it.
Dude, it's like the paint looks brand new again, man. It legit looks brand new again. Thanks for all the help,
ya.
man.
Yeah,
see you
see
in a
ya.
nice car, dude. It's
Thank
amazing.
you.
All right,
Thank
dude.
you, bro.
No
Thanks for your
worries,
help.
dude. We'll catch you next time, yeah?
Yeah.
Almost done editing today's video. Alright guys, we're back home. Thank you guys so much for all the support on the channel lately, guys. It's been pretty awesome. And our subs have been growing, guys. Our views, everything's been going up. So yeah, that's all thanks to you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.